Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I made my custom exhaust for my Suzuki Gs450S custom scrambler, etc. Yeah, so this was the first time that I did TIG welding. To be honest, for the first time it didn't go that bad. To be honest, it went pretty okay. I got some help from Moto Adonis in Roosendaal. They helped me with TIG welding, teach me some things, and they just like welded the exhaust fully done. You gonna see some bits where I'm gonna weld, and you gonna see some bits where the other guys are gonna weld it done or flush. How do you want to call it? Yeah, here I'm just like practicing. Okay, how do I need to do it? Is it on the right angle? And need to sharp the point of the TIG welder. So yeah, that makes it way easier to weld the material to the other bit of material. I came up with this idea because of the alternator cover, and I just like wanted to follow the lines around it. I don't think it's really it's gonna be more practical if you're gonna talk about performance, but I think it looks pretty nice. And yeah, hello Job. That's one of the employees of Moto Adonis. Yeah, it's Job. He's crazy. You're gonna see more of him, I guess, in this video. So yeah, he helped me out a lot with the exhaust. So great, and much thanks to Job and to Dan. Yeah, and thanks for dropping my camera, Job. And of course, when you making your exhaust and working on your bike, you need to have some fun. But I don't know about those dance moves though. Let's not talk about it. So yeah, let's speed up a bit, and now I'm gonna do the other side of the exhaust. The problem of the other side of my bike is that the cover where the clutch is gonna be is like more set out to the outside of the bike. Like the alternator cover is just like one round element where I can like bend the exhaust around perfectly, but with the dynamo cover I can't really do it because it's like set out a little bit more than the other side. Okay, this is really the first time I'm welding it like totally finished. These welds. It's a little bit hard to do because I need to use the filament, but this bit is like really flush, so it's going amazing. And look at that result. For the first time TIG welding, not bad, if I can say so. And yeah, there was like the TIG welding. So now I'm gonna show you the end result. And yeah, enjoy this bit of the beauty shots, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.